Hi friends, in Delhi it's right now 7:30 in the evening, 26 June, Friday. I'm walking in the park, evening jogging, evening walk, and talking to you. So many things going on in the mind, and the reason being, if you watch TV, if you talk to your friends, if you're working in your job front, if you're a businessman, then the kind of challenges you are facing in the business, everywhere it is, everyone is talking about challenges and chaotic things moving around. When we started on 22nd of March, that was Sunday, the Prime Minister came. It was a Janta curfew done voluntarily. Then later on from Monday, it was a lockdown enforced by law. And thereon, we all know. What I'm trying to say here is the lockdown was to check Corona. Friends, you can see this is Rohini East Metro Station. Delhi Metro is still in lockdown stage. It's not moving. So I was on 22nd March. Since 22nd March to present 26 June, it's almost 3 months, and within three months, things have changed a lot. Just in 3 months. Now, what are the things that have changed? On 22nd June around, we were talking so much about Corona. Now, in the last lap of June, do you think we are talking much about Corona? Not at all. Everybody's talking about economy, China. Corona discussion is going side by side. It is not a new headline. It's not a major headline. It is just like any other day you're talking about Corona, so you are. We are talking more about China, and we are talking more about economy, be it India or as a world. As we move on, by December 2020, I'm sure we will not be talking so much about Corona as we are now. The topic of Corona will keep on diminishing. Now we'll talk about the rampage, the damage that Corona has done so far. Now we have started talking about the damages that Corona has done, and that is going to even further that is going to do. Now we are talking about damages about Corona, be it on medical front, be it on economic front, be it a personal life hampered by Corona. Everywhere there is a challenge. Not only mine, everybody's life has gone topsy-turvy. Ask anyone. Schools are not yet opened. CBSE has dropped the idea of conducting board exams, 10th and 12th. We were talking much about China industry in China coming back to other countries like India, Indonesia, Japan, but nothing concrete has happened so far. Even on medical front, if you see the number of deaths that have happened in Delhi in the month of June are far higher that have happened in the month of March, April and May. So June on one side and March, April, May on one side. That is the number of deaths that have happened in Delhi due to Corona. So the June deaths are spiraling in Delhi. I'm not talking depressive talks, but these are the challenges we have right now nowadays. People are just passing the time. As of now, there is no seeing the end of the tunnel. We are still in the tunnel of corona, where everybody is fighting in their own way. Medical front, economic front, political front on the borders. We cannot rely on China and Pakistan. Though the media says that China has moved back, but we cannot rely. So what we can do as a whole is just pass the time, remain patient, at least keep on doing what we have been doing so far. Health is wealth. Health is still wealth. It's such a big quotation since centuries, and it still stands. So why I'm jogging in the ground in the park right now is, okay, we are not able to earn fortunes right now, but at least we are maintaining a health, and that is what everyone should do. Health is wealth for everyone. That was the prime reason lockdown was put, living beside the economy. So my dear countrymen, go for a walk every day, eat good food, healthy food, hygienic food which is prepared on daily basis. Avoid preservatives, preserved food kept in fridge for long time. Eat daily fresh food made on daily basis, in addition to fruits and other things that enhance your immunity. Keep on watching movies to some extent, but not to a larger extent, because you have to even sharpen your skills. This is the best time to sharpen your skills, that I wanted to say, so that when we are out of corona, everybody has some special skill. Nowadays a lot of ongoing online classes are available. Those who are at home should enhance their skills to some extent. The whole purpose of making today's video was just to see where we were, where we are, and which direction we are moving. We have many wise people in the society nowadays, that we all are living in nuclear family. But if you watch so many YouTube videos and chat or interact with intellectual peoples, you will get fair idea or knowledge how to survive corona and how and which direction to move. That was the sole purpose of making the video. So my dear friends, apart from having good food, healthy food, Peanut Doctor I'll advise that you should all sleep adequately. When I say adequately, means 6 to 8 hours. You should sleep at least for minimum 6 hours and not more than 8 hours. You all understand when I say not less than 6 hours, means you understand sleep deprivation causes a lot of problems. Now you will say why I am saying more than 8 hours. That is because sleep more than 8 hours brings in depression. because when you're tossing in the bed, you are overanalyzing and it depresses you. As you all know, overanalysis of anything is bad. So between 6 to 8 hours is fair enough. Do not forget to walk, whether morning walk or evening walk. Walk in a park is very stress releasing, very comforting, gives you a lot of pleasure apart from medical benefits. I'm sure you all know about endorphins. So when you're doing brisk walk, it keeps you physiologically happy. Your all organs, especially lungs, your lungs in the time of corona should be very healthy. So you should not smoke nowadays at all. Share your feelings with your friends. Sit with them. These days it is also equally important that you should sit with your friends and family. I know sharing will not remove somebody's loss in the business or loss of a job, but sharing releases your depression, it releases your stress. So you should give a good hearing to someone, be it your friend, neighbor, anyone. Being a social animal, you need someone to release your feelings, to share your feelings. So nowadays many people even don't attend to the phone, somebody's phone, unnecessarily, thinking that somebody will download their tension. Don't think like that. Attend to the phone calls, listen to their feelings. It's very important. In times of corona, everybody is facing some or the other challenge. So talking to each other release you of all those stress. That's important. So none of you will have to go to any psychiatrist or psychologist to treat yourself or your near and dear ones, because if you share, many problems are automatically solved. So my dear friends, keep on jogging, keep on listening to others, also keep on sharing your feelings apart from listening. So we all should talk to each other, that's more important. So that was the whole purpose of making the video. Thank you.